Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yung Hype Hobby. So quick review, unboxing po tayo ng 021 ENC 633 na CG 13 inches, tinatawag na AR15, two-tone. So combination siya ng black and tan. Ayan, so pasubscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook, Mr. Yung Hype Hobby, and Mr. Hobby.ph, and yung ating YouTube channel na Mr. Yohanip TV. Ayan, so unboxing po tayo ng ENC East Grain. Ayan, airsoft. It's a toy only. Ayan, so may kasamang manual. So may kasama siyang stock battery, stock charger, and previous natin, syempre, na sticker. Ayan. Yan. Yan po yung ENC 633 na two-tone. Yan. So naka-flip sights siya. Front and rear flip sight. Ayan po yung kanyang buttstock. Ayan. So quad rails niya ay 13.6 inches haba. Kaya pala malakas. So out of the box, 400 to 430 fps. Bagong-bago. And then full metal body at yung magazine type niya metal. Magazine capacity 300 rounds. Ayan. So napaka-solid ito, napakaganda. ENC 633 two-tone. Ayos, solid, ganda. Thank you.